One of the most common questions that we get is, do LightForce braces actually move your teeth faster? So the short answer is no. But the speed that the teeth move is determined by your body's biology. The bone still needs to move and remodel. We need to allow the teeth to get to where they're going safely. So LightForce is just a type of braces. But what LightForce braces do really well is because they're completely customized and individualized, instead of using just one size fits all, every bracket is digitally designed and positioned specifically for your smile. So this means that we can have more precise movement, more efficiently, fewer adjustments, so that it's a bit like driving a car from Sydney to Melbourne. So rather than taking the direct route, which we do with LightForce, you have a bit more of a windy journey. So this way, patients have fewer appointments, improved finishing, potentially a shorter journey overall. And you know that with LightForce braces, that if you come in and see us, we're going to be able to give you the best result that we can in the most efficient way that we can, so you can reach your smile goals faster. We want to create those confident smiles, and using the best orthodontic technology is the future for us and for Beachside Orthodontics.